Hello, welcome to Hellobar. This is Albert, and I'll be showing you a quick overview of how Hellobar works in helping your business grow using our amazing pop-ups. Hellobar offers different types of pop-up goals. As you can see, we have here the collect emails. This allows you to collect email addresses and other contact data to add to your email list. We have the get phone call, which is designed only for mobile devices, and it allows your customers to talk to you over the phone by just a click of a button here. We have the social traffic. This points your visitors to your social media channels. The target URL. This redirects your customers to certain pages of your website by just a click of a button. And lastly, the announcement. And this allows you to put anything that you want to promote on your website. And this doesn't include any buttons or any CTAs. Right here, we have the list of pop-up type that you can choose from. We have the bar. You can put it either at the top or at the bottom of your web page. The modal, which appears at the center of the website. The slider, you can put it on all four corners of your website. The full page takeover. And the alert. The alert has this bell icon that creates a sound that can really catch your visitor's attention. Under design, you can see the different pop-up design template that Hellobar offers. It also has the auto detect features that allows to detect the color of your website for more customized appearance. Let's select one of the template here. Under design, you'll see all the options that allows you to customize the pop-up to your preference. And by clicking directly on the text, you can put your content to your likings. Like let's say, please subscribe. That you can change the color of the X button, text color, even the placement of the pop-up. You can put a no thanks if you want to, and even add your own image. Let's say you want to put this little dog icon. It may take a while to load, but under that, there's the countdown timer that you can enable to put countdown timer on your pop-up. Under settings, there's the option to select a timing for your pop-up to appear. You can select exit intent so that it will appear upon leaving the website. And you can also select from our list of different delay times. From here, you can disable the Hellobar branding or enable it and allow your customer to close the pop-up or not close the pop-up. Under targeting, we have the custom targeting rule, and you can select a specific duration of when you wouldn't want the pop-up to appear after they close the pop-up. Now that's a quick overview of how the pop-up works. Thank you so much for checking it out.